Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're managing purchases in Odoo 19, you know how important it is to keep your vendor information organized, right? In this video, I'll show you how exactly you can add, edit, and manage vendors inside Odoo 19 purchase module in a step-by-step manner. Whether you are just getting started or improving your purchase workflow, this guide will help you to maintain accurate vendor data and streamline your operation fastly. So, why wait? Let's get started. So, for that, let's head over to the purchase module first. So, once you are at the dashboard of purchase module, let's head over to the order session and let's find the vendors. Okay. So once you open the dashboard of vendors, you can similarly find all the existing vendors that we have already created, which is the name of the vendor, email, phone number, activities, countries, and there we have different kind of capsule type button, which means there we have meetings, and here we have the invoice bill mandates, and there we have the opportunities, purchase, and there we have the sales order. So all things that corresponding to the vendor basically can seen under the dashboard view itself. Okay. And we are moving to the next view, which is Kanban view. The Kanban view is basically what? It is the card typed view of each vendors, and there you can find all such details regarding the vendor from here. For creating a new vendor, we are going to click on the new button. And while you click on the new button, you will get a form view like this. You want to fill up all those configured information that you want to add up about your vendor. Okay. So starting from specifying whether your vendor is a person or a company, you can choose from here. If your vendor is a person, you can choose that. So you want to provide the company detail, like the parent company detail from there. Like let me choose the person, and there you can find the company which you need to give the parent company. Or if this particular vendor is basically a company, you can provide that information under this form. So let me give this as a person, and I'm going to put this as Brandon. Once I'm done with that, you can provide the email ID of Brandon and the phone number as. So here I'm going to give. Okay, here I'm done with the email address, and you can provide the phone number as well as from here. So let me give a random one. Okay, once I'm done with that, you need to provide the parent company of Brandon. Okay, you can provide that, or as well as you can simply give the address of Brandon also. So here I'm going to give the parent company, which is Gemini Furniture. Basically, Brandon belongs to Gemini Furniture. And once the parent company's information is already pre-recorded in your Odoo's DB, it will be auto-populated once you are providing the company name from here. So there you can find the company address and everything will be auto-populated. Okay. So you don't need to separately add the company address and everything. And there we have the job position. So you can simply provide the job position of Brandon inside Gemini Furniture. So let me give that the sales rep. Once I'm done with that, you can provide the tax ID, partners level, website, language, and as well as the tags. So let me give the tag for him. Let's give sales. So here I'm done with the tags. And there we have vendor details like the payment terms, like in 30 days, immediate payment, all such things under the sales and purchase tab. Once you are moving to the sales and purchase tab, where you can find under the sales there you can find the salesperson, payment terms, payment methods, price list, delivery method, all such things inside that. So you can simply customize as per your concern, or you can specify all such things inside the sales tab. And there we have the purchase. Under the purchase tab, there we have different kind of thing, which is supplier currency, group RFQ, payment terms, payment method. So by specifying all such things inside this tab, you don't want to provide all these details once you are dealing with a purchase order or a sales order with this vendor, okay, or an RFQ with this vendor. You need just to give all such details inside the purchase and sales tab here. So you don't want to provide that. under that. And also Odoo will auto-populate such all things under once you are creating an RFQ or a purchase order. Okay. And we have the point of sales. Under the point of sales, there you can find the barcode and miscellaneous. There you can find all such things under that. And there we have the fiscal information about the vendor. And then we have the accounting. Here, we don't want to give any particular accounting details because we are giving the parent company itself here. So the accounting related setting are managed on the parent companies. You don't want to give any kind of things that. Okay. And then we are moving to the partners assignment. Under the partners assignment, there you can find all such things, which is partner activation, partner review, and geolocation. And there we have the notes. Under the notes, you can simply provide any internal note for this particular vendor, and you can provide a warning on sales order or invoice as well as, okay. And there we have the UBO. You can simply provide the UBO and such kind of details from here. And there we have the contact information. So if you want to provide the contact information of this company or this person, Brandon, you can simply provide that by clicking on add contact. There we have a wizard. You need to create contact details. So here I'm going to create a contact detail, which for Brandon. So let me give the Brandon name. So once I'm done with that, you can simply provide an email address. And you can provide a phone number and job title as well as the internal note. Specify that and let's save and close. So by creating a contact, you can similarly create different kind of contact. Okay, like you can provide an invoice address, like invoice contact details and delivery address and contact and others. Okay, so you can simply provide a different kind of contact address inside the contact tab. Here we have company address. Rather than that, you can provide external things. Okay. And there we have different kind of tabs, which is opportunity, sales, invoice, subscription, more. So you can see all similar or corresponding details. Like if this vendor have any corresponding opportunities, you can see from here. And if this vendor have any corresponding sales, that you can see from here, invoice, subscription, and everything can be viewed from here itself. Okay. And there we have the meetings, tickets, task, purchase, and document, login, serial number, and direct debit mandate, and every kind of things from here. Which means you can, once you get started using this vendor, Odoo keeps track of related document from the vendor page. You can see their purchase order, bills, and payment all in one place. This gives you a complete overview of the relationship with the supplier. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can simply save. You can manually save this and you can find all such things with this. And if you want to link the vendor with the product, you can simply move to the product tab. Like let's move to the product tab and just open any kind of product. Let it be acoustic block screen. Once you're done with that, let's move to the purchase tab. And under the purchase tab, you can similarly add the vendor name here. Okay. So here is our vendor. You can simply provide the vendor name, quantity, unit price, and currency, and every kind of things, which means you can add any specific in their product name or code, their purchase price, and minimum quantity if applicable. So basically, this ensures that whenever you create a purchase order, Odoo automatically select the correct vendor and price. Okay. So that's all about how to create a vendor inside Odoo 19. Like you can simply provide all such kind of details, and we are going to save this manually before moving to that. Like you have learned how to create a vendor profile, configure payment terms, link product, and track purchase history, all of which make your purchasing process smoother and more organized. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next tutorial, where we will explore how to create and manage purchase order in Odoo 19. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in next one. Till that, bye-bye.